Welcome back to the Rolling Robot series. If you just joined our series, we are creating this rolling robot chassis. In this episode, we are going to document our robot chassis design. We'll add a bill of material and cut list. This information will help us plan for our project. Click the link below to download the necessary files to follow along with the tutorials. From the assembly, I select Make Drawing from Assembly. Now I am prompted to select a template. I will use the frame template I just created. I use the drawing palette to select the isometric view, and I drag and drop the view onto the sheet. Click OK. With the view selected, go to the Annotation tab and click the Table drop-down. Select Bill of Material. I'm only interested in seeing a parts-only bill of material. Select that option. Click OK. Now I just click to place the bill of material on the drawing. Now I want to add my two weldments to the drawing. This will enable me to generate the necessary cut list. I begin by adding a model view. Click Browse and navigate to the corner weldment support. Click Open. Place the view on the sheet by clicking. Now we can insert our cut list. With the view selected, go to the Annotation tab, click the Table drop-down and select Weldment Cutlist. I will use the Weldment Cutlist template called Robot Frame Weldment. Click OK. Place the cut list under the view. Now we just need to repeat this for our main frame weldment. To add a model view, browse to the weldment frame, click Open. Place the view on the sheet. With the view selected, insert a cut list. Use the Robot Frame Weldment template. Click OK and place the cut list next to the view. Now we are ready to balloon our frame drawing. Right-click on the weldment frame view and select Properties. Under the option Balloons, drop down the list of tables and select Weldment Cutlist 2. Click OK. We will do this because the frame is a component of both the bill of material and the cut list, and this ensures the software knows what information we are trying to display. With the view selected, click Auto Balloon on the Annotations tab. Documenting the design we created is quick and easy thanks to the Solidworks linked file structures. Our documentation is driven from the model file. This continuity between file types eliminates errors and your designs always stay up to date. Join me next time where I will show you how to add formulas to our cut list. We will use formulas to calculate our total length of our 80/20 profile.